Welcome to Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, one of the most unique cities in Europe. And today we're walking through Gran Canaria, part of Spain's Canary Islands, located about 95 miles off the northwest coast of Africa. Home to approximately 380,000 residents, making it the largest city in the Canary Islands and the ninth largest city in Spain. One of the first things you'll notice how European this international city feels. European, African, and Latin America have all influenced culture, architecture, and cuisine, with foreign residents making up roughly 9% of the total population. Las Palmas offers one of the most pleasant climates in all the world, with average temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 82. That is 18 degrees Celsius to 28. Looks like we got a little construction going on here. The city itself covers about 38 square miles or 101 square kilometers. It sits between two bays, it giving residents easy access to beaches. Spain is aging in population. Las Palmas is no exception. The city has been losing younger residents. The number of residents over 65 begins to increase. Tourism is the economic engine here. Millions of visitors come here every year to the beaches and mild climate. Nice little park area here. A lot of the main restaurants. Las Palmas is famous for digital nomads and remote workers now, with the fast internet and relaxed lifestyle. Year-round outdoor activities have made it a big draw. Marie just reminded me we are here in siesta time, so a lot of the shops are closed. What do you think of Las Palmas, Gran Canaria? Would you visit on a vacay? Have you been here? What did you see? Let me know in the comments. There's some tapas if you guys want to check out the prices. 16.9 euros, menu one. The old Super Dino market. Right. Here is the beach in Las Palmas. But that water looks hecka good with the sun out. Playa de las Canteras. That's what Marie's wanting us to tell you. Man, if you can see that old boy right there, he is red. Oh my goodness. That is impressive. We have a lobster out. Anyway, we're going to call it. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and like if you liked Las Palmas. We'll see you in the next one. Street Level Reality out.